Okay, this is my area. I still gotta clean out some of the grass and the weeds in here. But look, I still have some asparagus growing. Look at that. Look at that asparagus coming up there. Okay, asparagus spears. Harvest you today. Okay. I'm gonna come and clean up y'all area soon. Some of the ferns growing here. And I'm gonna get these two asparagus here before they burn out on me. Let me harvest you. Look at you. Get this other one. Look at that. Look at my asparagus. Okay, looking beautiful. Look at my green beans and my yellow wax beans. Ooh, look at you. I see you. I need to come and harvest you guys soon. Let me come over there and harvest you now. Y'all looking good. Okay. Okay. Sugar snap peas. Y'all come on in and grow too. But I see a lot of my yellow wax beans growing there. I see you. Getting ready to harvest you. Okay, my sugar snap peas. I don't see any sprouting up yet, but the leaves are beautiful. I see some down here with my green beans. I see some blooms. Look over there, I see you. Okay, look right there, I see you. Yellow wax beans. I'm getting ready to come and get you. And look at here. I have some watermelon leaves germinating here. Yes. I put some in this bed and that one and the one over there. The only one that look like it's has some leaves growing on it is this one here. Okay, watermelon. And look over here. I see my carrots are growing good with the onions. I see you, carrots. Look at you, collard greens. Y'all still growing big and beautiful. Look at you, I see you. Okay, y'all keep producing for me. That's great. That is great. That is great. Okay, look at my lettuce over here. I see some that that's turning brown. I need to pull off. But look at my romaine lettuce back there. Okay. Okay, romaine. And my butter crunch over in here. Butter crunch like the sun burning on y'all. It's a hot day today. Okay, lettuce. Soon need to harvest and eat some of you guys. Looking good. Okay, look at my cabbage here. Come on, you gotta get bigger. I see a little head forming now. Okay, cabbage over here. Come on. My lavender. Okay, cabbage. Come on, get bigger. Another cabbage here. I see a head forming. Come on, you gotta get bigger. Here's one more cabbage. Come on, cabbage. Look at my lavender. Finally getting a little tall on me there. Have some more of my collard greens here. Some more right here too. Look like something's eating it up though. And I had put some broccoli over in here. Look like I finally see something sprouting up. Okay, broccoli, come on. Hey, my yellow wax beans and some of my green beans. I see. Time to harvest, you guys. Look at you. Look at you. Okay. Look at this big one here. Okay. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Look at here. I see you. I see you down there. Look at that. That's a big one. Okay. What else? We got any more under here? Look at this one here. The yellow wax beans are growing faster than the green beans. Okay, any more under here? Let's see, we see any more? See any more? Any more coming? Any more? Okay. Here go another one. Look at that. Okay, I see you. Okay. Let's see any more under here. Ah, I see you. I see you. Okay. Let me get you. Any more under here? There go another one. Okay. Boy, yes, I see a lot of yellow wax beans. There go another one. Okay. Oh boy, look at these right here. I see you. I see you too. Okay. See if I can break you off here. Okay. Got me a handful of yellow wax beans. Okay, I see one more hanging here. Whoops, I dropped you. Let me see. I see you. I see you. Oh, look. Here go another one dangling. I see you. Okay. Wait a minute. I see another one in there. Say, don't leave me. I see you over there. See if I can get you. I see you. Whoops. Hope I can get you there now. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, I think I see some more. Okay, there's one more. Oh, I got two off of that one. Let me let y'all get a little bigger. Oh, look at here. I see you. I'm gonna get you. Okay. A handful of yellow wax beans. Let me see before I leave. Anybody else? Oh yeah, you said you wanted me to find you. Okay, there you go. Okay, I see you. I got you. Anybody else? Okay. Look at here, I see some green beans. I'm gonna let y'all get a little bigger. Y'all need to get a little bit bigger. No, I take you. Okay. Yellow wax beans are outgrowing the green beans, but I see a lot of blooms on the green beans. Okay, green beans, come on. Okay. And sugar snap peas. I see y'all have a lot of beautiful green leaves here, but I don't see anything growing yet. Come on. Okay. Wait a minute, I think I see something else. What's this? Is this some more green? Look at that. Some more yellow wax beans. Okay. Yes. Y'all say don't leave. I'm here. I see you. I got you. Let's see. Anybody else? Yeah, I see you. I'm gonna get you too. Gotcha. Look at y'all. Okay. Y'all told me don't leave yet. We here. Look at this great harvest here. Asparagus, yellow wax beans, and one green bean grown in Big Mama's garden.